for broccoli. One bright morning, Arthur arrived at a charming farmhouse where fields of various vegetables were thriving. As Arthur explored the vegetable garden, he could not contain his curiosity. What could B stand for in this wonderful place? Suddenly, a friendly broccoli plant approached him, its green head beaming with warmth. The friendly broccoli welcomed Arthur to the garden, introducing him to the vibrant world of vegetables. Arthur noticed farmers tending to the vegetables, watering them and ensuring their well-being. Intrigued, Arthur asked the friendly broccoli what types of vegetables grow here. The wise broccoli explained that this garden was a home to a variety of vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and, of course, broccoli. Arthur was curious about why kids needed to eat broccoli. The friendly broccoli shared its knowledge. In the garden, Arthur observed kids enjoying a delicious meal of broccoli. They took crunchy bites and smiled with satisfaction. The kids also collected fresh broccoli, understanding that it was not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. With a heart full of understanding, Arthur realized that B stands for broccoli, because it is not just tasty, it's also healthy and helps kids grow strong. Arthur left the vegetable garden knowing that there were many more wonderful discoveries awaiting him in Alphabet Land.